Hello everyone, this is Paukšte Fashion Workshop. Today I would like to introduce you my new video course. How to make a polo style button placket. This is actually a mini course. It's not easy to choose a design of a button stand. We didn't want to show you something too simple, but we didn't want to show you something complicated either. This is why we have decided to show you two different types of plackets. Have a look at the first one. This is a regular polo style button stand with an angled bottom. This is how it looks like from the right side, and next I'll show you how it looks like from the wrong side. The placket is absolutely perfect from the both sides. We show you all the needed techniques in detail. Having bought the course, you'll be able to make such button stands yourselves. We had decided that it was not enough, so we made one more button stand. Have a close look at the first one once again. As I've said, this is a regular polo style button stand with an angled bottom. Have a look at the second one. I know that it looks very simple. What is interesting about it is that it's edged with the facing. Let me show you the wrong side of it. Why do we need to make such button stands? Because we like to unbutton them. Imagine I undo a couple of buttons. There is a facing here. You know that the right and the wrong sides in fabrics do not always match. In this case, such button stands are perfect. We're also going to show you the making of this mock-up in detail. How to mark the position of the placket, how to cut, tack, and stitch the details. I've decided to make this video course now, because my course on how to sew a classic shirt is already available. It's very important to be able to make different button stands in your shirts. This is also one of the ways to be different and beautiful. Such polo-style button stands can be widely used. Gone are the days when they were believed to be an element of a sports style. Nowadays, we make such button stands in blouses, shirts, shirt dresses, cotton, knit fabrics, anything. Having completed the course, you'll be able to make any of these types of the button stands. The one with the collar stand, or the one with the round neckline and facing. Have a close look at this mock-up. In this case, the neckline is edged with the facing. This is the only case when a polo-style button stand can be made with no collar stand. I want you to be able to sew beautiful, high-quality garments. This is what I'm here for. In the course, we show you all the sewing techniques needed for making such button stands. Those of you who have already bought some of my courses sew amazing garments on their basis. I have received a lot of positive comments. Thank you for that. I am really happy to introduce you this video course. I am not saying that it will only be useful to those who have bought the course on how to sew a classic shirt. As I've said, such button stands can be made in many different garments. This is a very useful technique. Good luck in sewing. Be different and beautiful every day. My name is Irina Paukšte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.